Good day to everyone. Today I will be presenting my study on developing an HR analytics maturity model for talent management. My name is Muhammad DANIAL bin Talib. I'm from Kuala Lumpur and I'm a student attached with University Technology Malaysia. My goal is to improve talent management through data-driven decision, ultimately enhancing organizational performance and competitiveness. So the main objective of my study are to develop comprehensive HR analytics maturity model specifically for talent management. To base this model on thorough literature review and comparison of the existing model in the field. Next, to provide organization with a framework to improve their talent management practices through data-driven decision making. The significance of this research lies in its potential to enhance organizational performance, competitiveness in today's rapidly evolving business landscape. Effective talent management is crucial for success. By incorporating advanced analytics into talent management practices, organizations can make more informed decisions about their most valuable asset, the people. This study particularly relevant because it addressed the growing need for data-driven HR practice in increasingly competitive talent market. It provides a roadmap for organizations to assess and improve their HR analytics capability. It bridges the gap between traditional HR practice and the potential of big data and advanced analytics. Throughout this presentation, we will explore the theoretical background, the literature review, our methodology, and the resulting model. We will discuss the implication of the model for practitioner and researcher in the field of HR and talent management. By the end of this presentation, you will have clear understanding on how organizations can leverage HR analytics to optimize their talent management strategies and driven better business outcome. Let's start with a brief overview of human resource management. HRM focus on recruiting, managing, and developing employees to achieve organizational goals. It is essential to attracting, developing, and retaining talented employees. Data analytics can enhance HRM by providing data-driven insight for better decision making. Moving on, talent management. It is a strategic process for identifying, developing, and retaining skilled employees. Talent intelligence management system combine talent management with HR analytics to make a data-driven decision, helping organizations optimize talent strategies and improve overall performance. Now let's delve deeper into HR analytics. HR analytics is data-driven approach to manage human resource. It involves collecting, analyzing, and interpreting HR data to make informed decisions that improve organizational performance. By using advanced methods and predictive modeling, HR analytics help identify trends, patterns, and correlation within the workforce. Ultimately, HR analytics aim to move HR practices from subjective to objective decision making, leading to more effective and efficient management of human capital. Meanwhile, HR analytics maturity model are framework designed to help organizations assess and improve their capability in leveraging data for HR decision making. These most model are essential too for several reasons. First, assessment. They allow organizations to evaluate their current level of HR analytics capability objectively. Next is benchmarking. Organization can compare their analytics maturity against industry standards or competitor. Next is roadmap creation. This model provides a clear path for progression, helps organization plan their analytic journey. Next is goal setting. They assist in setting realistic and achievable goals for analytic implementation. Typical component of HR analytics maturity model. They're usually based on stages or level. Most model features multiple stages, often ranging from basic reporting to advanced predictive analytics. Next is methodology. It is involve a thorough literature review comparing existing model from well-known source. We analyze this model to identify key elements for an effective HR analytics maturity model, focusing on factors such as analytics team expertise, alignment with business goal, user involvement, data infrastructure, data-driven culture, and data governance. By analyzing all this model, it is identified the key elements or key domain for effective HR analytics maturity model. Next, we compare several existing models, including those from Deloitte, Bersin, Gartner, and PricewaterhouseCoopers. Our analysis considered attributes such as public availability of the methodology, number of maturity model, and dimension cover. Comparison criteria. First is availability. All four models are publicly available. Number of maturity level. Deloitte have 4 level, while the other have 5 level. Number of dimension vary from 4 to 7 across the model. Maturity level comparison. It will based on the next slide. All right. The first level, for example, for Bersin, it work with operational reporting, advanced reporting, strategic analytics, predictive analytics, and prescriptive analytics. Meanwhile, Deloitte that have 4 level only goes on basic, advanced analytics, and predictive analytics. Meanwhile, PwC model focus on pre-foundational, foundational, aspiring, mature, and leading. Gartner, meanwhile, focus on fragmented and unsupported, consolidating and building, accessible and utilized, institutional and business integrated, predictive and prescriptive analytics. What we can conclude over here, most of the top level, it is focused on prescriptive or predictive analytics. And meanwhile, for PwC and Gartner, they are more focused on showing that the company who have a level 5, they are the leading or the number one in, in, in the business. While we go for the basic one, the level 1, it is talk about operational reporting, basic reporting, or the pre-foundational, which means it is all the basic data collection or the normal HR process that been done by using classical model. This is the my preliminary model based on our analysis. I have developed a preliminary model with 5 levels of maturity. First is reactive, data aware, strategic insight, predictive and prescriptive, and number 5 is talent lifecycle optimization. The key takeaways from this is each domain progress from basic reactive approach to data-driven predictive and finally holistic integrated approach. Higher level of maturity involve more sophisticated use of data and analytics. The highest level 5 emphasis integrated across HR function, direct linkage to a business result. This detailed breakdown of domain and maturity level provide organization with a clear roadmap for improving their HR analytics capability across key talent management areas. In conclusion, I have developed a new HR analytics maturity model specifically for a talent management. This model fills gap in literature review and provide a tailored preliminary framework for organization. While it is a significant contribution for the first step, it is considered a starting point. Further research is needed to refine and validate the model, and ongoing adaptation will be essential for its continued relevance. That's all from me. Thank you.